Today you will learn how pronouncing certain words without emphasizing their meaning can speed up the process of manifestation of the desired event. These words are the passwords, keys to making any dreams and goals come true. Use them as methods of internal transformation as they link your consciousness with the subconsciousness, making any goals achievable faster. By using them, you can achieve anything you have dreamt of all your life: success, happiness, love, prosperity. This method is explained in more detail in the book by James Mangan, The Secret of Perfect Living, where he collects the results of 40 years of research in psychokinesis and other phases of metaphysics, as well as telepathy. The main thesis states that every thought has its own one-word formula. James states that on March 10, 1951, the word together has come to him as if inspired by some higher power. This word has triggered his further discoveries and success. A short word pronounced without any emphasis cannot be considered as an autosuggestion, since it is not a command or an order given to the consciousness. It is only received by the subconsciousness. The word together is pronounced not to convey its meaning, but as a password that triggers an auto-response. When working with such passwords, there is an order to follow while structuring sentences and phrases. First comes the word together, as it is the word connecting the consciousness with the subconsciousness. The word ending the phrase is now, as it helps speed up a desired event. So, how does it work and how does the method be applied? For example, you're experiencing anxiety, or you're offended, or you're beside yourself with anger. You keep on coming back to the events triggering you, unable to let them go. You know it is not worth holding on to them, yet you cannot overcome your emotions. Pronounce the word close, making the phrase sounding the following way: together, close now. Repeat this phrase over and over again until you feel your anger subside and leave you. This password also helps in case you need to make a physical effort. For example, you're about to miss a train or a flight and you need to catch it and act quickly. Normally, you will be out of breath after this experience. Yet, with using the word close, you will be able to restore your normal breathing in less than a minute. When you're in a hurry, apply the word forward, saying the following phrase: together, forward now. You will witness desired events come to your life faster and favorable circumstances entering your reality. By using the word adjust, you can see yourself accomplish a task faster, especially if it comes to physical labor or effort, such as walking up the stairs, or gardening, or heavy lifting. If you're looking for a missing object, repeat the following phrase: together, receive now. The password together links your consciousness with the subconsciousness. The password receive is key in this structure. The password now speeds up the manifestation of an event. The formula is the same. It is the key word that specifies the task you wish to realize. The words together and now are magical. They work every time you use them, bringing you closer to your dream. There are certain words that make your life easier and happier, help you experience positive thoughts over negative ones. In bioenergy, there are 5 such passwords that help you bring prosperity, luck, success, true love, and endless happiness. These passwords are the most powerful. Password number 1, tackle. It helps in the circumstances with some imminent problems that you cannot solve on your own. Of course, you have to believe that this method will help you. If you have tried everything to no avail, repeat the password tackle as a mantra. Remember that the phrase should sound the following way. Together, tackle now. Password number 2, power. You might be finding yourself so close to reaching your goal, yet you feel exhausted to carry on. You might be lacking patience, energy, or some sort of opportunity even though the goal is so close. Pronounce the word power while you're embarking on something important or crucial in your life. Keep on doing that during the process of reaching your goal. The end phrase should sound the following way. Together, power now. Password number 3, achieve. This is the most multifunctional word that is used by everyone who achieves their goals. The reason for it is the direct command addressed to the subconsciousness. Yet, you should not use it unless you're absolutely certain and definitive on your objective. The objective should be clear and well thought through. If you're still not clear on what exactly you want, this password will not help you. Once you have formulated a goal, set priorities, evaluated your chances, you can go ahead with the phrase, together achieve now. Before and while you're pronouncing this phrase, keep on thinking about the goal you're wishing to achieve, focusing all your attention on reaching it. Password number 4, success. This is an easy and multifunctional word as well that helps you achieve success in the desired enterprise. This keyword can be applied without the definitive goal. For example, you would like to pass a job interview, yet you're not sure if the job itself suits you. Program yourself for success, saying the phrase, together success now. You will be guaranteed to succeed with the chance to accept or decline the outcome of the task. Use this password in extreme situations where the outcome depends purely on your luck. Password number 5, victory or reward. If you have been dreaming to achieve success or attracted in a very important event, start repeating these words. They will help you overcome any obstacles, thus making your dream come true quickly and effortlessly. The password victory is advised to use if you're faced with a difficult dilemma. It will help you find the right decision and the right direction. The word reward brings fruit to your efforts. The universe is not good or bad, it is neutral. It becomes unbearable or enjoyable depending on how it is perceived by a certain individual. By showing disappointment, focusing on the negative, we get attuned to the negative events, while pronouncing positive affirmations will attract luck. The mentioned passwords will help you attract only the favorable outcomes into your life. Use these and other keywords, and you will witness their magical power firsthand. Here are a few other passwords that you can apply to any of your goals. To improve your state of health, use the keyword stretch. To relieve pain from your body, use the keyword change. To persuade someone, use the word keys. To avoid danger, protect. To keep a secret, use the keyword forever. To fall asleep, around. Use the word erect to build something. Use the word between to enhance your telepathic abilities. The password forward will help you acquire new ideas. The password count is used to quit smoking. Use the keyword out to get rid of bad habits. Use the keyword done in order to finish a task in time. The full list of passwords can be found on our website www.ʟavantewealthsuccess.com.